influencers promote softwares on YouTube like this.
So if you're looking to build a website, I would definitely recommend Hostingo. We use it for our own stuff. There'll be a link to sign up in the video description, and if you use the coupon code AliAbdal at checkout, they will give you an additional 10% off the paid plans.
The link he shared in this video clip is called an affiliate link, which helps the software he's promoting track how many subscriptions came from the video he made. But what happens when a physical retail shop, like the restaurant behind me, tries to do the same? They have no option but to pay an influencer a hefty fee and hope that it leads to more in-store sales. Here's a prototype of O2O that I made. What you're seeing right now is the landing page of the software. Now, the software would actually serve two different personas. One is a merchant and the other is an influencer. I'll sign up as both to show you what the interface looks like at each end. First, let's sign up as a merchant. So here are the required fields. I'm going to add my full name, my business name, and select an industry, which would actually help the SaaS connect my business to influencers that actually make content for the same type of industry. And then I'll select the POS system, the checkout system that my business uses, go with Square, and my email address. And like that, I've created an account. Now in the settings is where I'll be able to integrate the POS, where I'll need to add my API key and perform authorization. And right here in the dashboard section, I have dummy data, and I can see the sales attributed to the influencers, the number of active campaigns my business is running, as well as the number of influencers helping me promote these campaigns. I have a time-based graph here that shows sales growth and top influencers by sales, so that's the ranking. And over here, I can see the pay to these influencers. Now, when I want to create a campaign for my business, I'll go to this tab and I can already see some active campaigns that I can share with influencers or just view more details. Create a campaign, I can give it a name, add description, set the validity, as well as the discount percentage, and this would actually sync to the POS, and that would return a unique discount ID, which I can then take to this tab over here, Wallet Passes, where I'll be able to customize the Apple and Google Wallet passes that the end consumer is going to take to the physical store. So these are the customizations that are available for now. I can add a brand color, add the business name, and then generate a pass. Now this will return a unique campaign ID that will be shared to the influencer, which we'll view in a minute. Now that we're done for the merchant's part, let's sign up as an influencer. These are the required fields. The influencer can select their audience size. So if the business actually gives a higher commission, then that would be based on the audience size of the influencer. And the preferred campaign type. So like I said just now, with the merchant section, they were selecting their industry, and the influencer would get a similar kind of field where I can select, let's say, fashion apparel, and then my email address. So again, you can see that the influencer will be able to browse available campaigns from different industries. So let's say I want to join a campaign in the fitness industry. I can just send a request, which the merchant would view and accept if they will. And here are the campaigns that I'm currently part of. As I said earlier, once the Apple Wallet passes are created in the merchant's interface, then a shareable link would be passed on to the influencer. When a follower clicks on the link, Apple or Google Wallet passes would be dynamically created, which they can then add to their wallets. So for this campaign, the Urban Style Boutique, you can see how the number of clicks on the link, the number of passes added, and the number of passes redempted. The sales that were brought in by this influencer, and the commission for now is set to 1%, but you can increase it. And these are the analytics. The influencer can see the total passes generated, total redemptions, conversion rate, and the top location where most of their audience is based, or the model class, and weekly redemptions. So here are just some time-based graphs, the geographical distribution, and weekly performance.